In today's video, I am going to teach you how to allow a 10-digit mobile number in Excel using data validation. The goal is simple. You want to guide users so they only enter valid 10-digit mobile numbers in a specific area of your worksheet. This makes your data cleaner and helps prevent mistakes before they happen. To begin, you will highlight the cells where users are going to type their mobile numbers. In this case, highlight the range A2 to A10. Take a moment to look at your sheet and make sure that the selected cells match that exact range. When the correct cells are highlighted, it tells Excel exactly where the validation rule should apply. Once those cells are selected, you will move to the top ribbon and click the Data tab. This is where Excel stores tools related to importing, sorting, and especially data quality features like validation. Go ahead and click Data, and then look toward the Data Tools group. This group is where you will find the option that controls validation settings. Next, click Data Validation. When you do this, a small window or dialog box will open. This is the place where you define what Excel should allow in your chosen cells. Since you want to restrict entries to a specific format, you will now set the rule based on text length. In the Data Validation window, find the Allow drop-down menu. Select Text Length from the Allow options. Choosing text length is important because it lets Excel check the number of characters a user enters, which is exactly what you need for a 10-digit number. After you select text length, you will see related options appear, such as the Data drop-down and the Length box. Now you will set the comparison rule. In the Data drop-down menu, select Equal to. This means the text the user enters must be exactly the length you specify, not shorter and not longer. At this point, you are telling Excel that the mobile number must match a precise character count. Then, in the Length box, type 10. Before you move on, make sure the value is entered as 10. This is the key part of the rule. Any entry with fewer or more than 10 characters will be flagged. After setting the validation condition, you will add a clear message for users. Click the Error Alert tab at the top of the window. This is where Excel can show a friendly and specific notification when someone enters invalid data. Adding an error message is helpful because it explains what went wrong and how to fix it. In the title box, type Invalid Number. Keep it short and direct, because the title appears prominently in the alert dialog. Then in the error message box, type Please enter a valid 10-digit mobile number. This sentence gives the user clear guidance and reduces confusion. Once the alert text is entered, you will confirm the rule and apply it to your selected cells. Click OK to apply the validation rules. Excel will now watch the cells in A2 to A10, and it will enforce your settings automatically. At this point, you can test the setup by trying to type something into one of the validated cells. If the entry is not exactly 10 characters long, Excel should display the error alert with the title and message you specified. If the entry is exactly 10 digits, it will be accepted according to your rule. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.